So okay, the first step, you need to draw the base of the triangle, the right triangle, which is CA, which is equal to 10 centimeters. So please do that. I have to admit somebody. No. Right triangle CA, which is equal to 10 centimeters. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ 10 centimeter square ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ 10 centimeter square which has to come. So adjust it accordingly. Got it? So you will mark the point of intersection as B. That's what I'm doing there. I'm going to mark the point of intersection as B. Okay, did you get that point of intersection as B? Now the next step is to join your BC and BA. So take your scale, keep it along B and C, draw a line. Again B and A, you will join. So your right triangle ABC is ready, which is right angled at B. Automatically you will get that right angle at B. Yeah, I hope this is complete now. Is it done till here? Could you get the right triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next step, you are going to draw a square or construct a square on the side AB of the triangle. It will come here on the side AB. And because I know AB has got a length of 8 centimeters, the square that you're going to construct on AB should be having an edge of 8 centimeters. And remember, it is going to be a square. It is not a rectangle that you're going to draw. So all the four sides should be the same length AB, which is equal to 8 centimeters. So what should you do? Yesterday we have discussed this. Both at B and A, you must draw 90 degrees first. So take your protractor, construct 90 degrees at B and construct another 90 degrees at A. So take your protractor. So see how I am keeping the protractor there. Because you are constructing the 90 degrees at B, you have to rotate your protractor, and that point you should keep it on B, and your base line should coincide with AB. So you should keep your protractor properly like this. The 0 should coincide along AB. ಆ ಥರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Can you see how I have kept the protractor? Still I have to push it because that line should fall on B. Can you see how I am adjusting it? This is the way you also must be adjusting your protractor. ಹೀಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರಬೇಕು ಆ ಪ್ರೊಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು 0 degrees, ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ, that is where the 0 of your protractor should coincide. Then you should go and mark your 90 degrees. I hope this much all of you should be able to do. So you are constructing the 90 degrees at B. The same way you should be able to construct a 90 degrees at A also. I am marking the point there to show 90 degrees. Now I am going to take the protractor to the point A, where again I am going to construct the 90 degrees. So keep it in such a way that the center of the protractor is falling on A, the vertex A, and again your AB should coincide with the 0 degrees on the left side of the protractor. Then mark your 90 degrees. Once both your 90 degrees are marked, remove your protractor, join your B with that point of 90 degrees by a ray, draw a ray there. Take your scale, keep it at B and construct that 90 degrees there. You have a dot marked no for 90 degrees. So extend your line like that. Take your scale and draw a line passing through the marked 90 degrees there. So this is how the rays will be constructed, and you will have the 290 degrees at A and B. Now next step, you have to measure two sides such that they are also equal to the length AB. So you have to take your compass and measure the length AB as the radius on the compass, or you can take from the scale also. You can take it as 8 centimeters, whichever is convenient, because this square is going to have a side of 8 centimeters. So take your compass again. Measure a radius of 8 centimeters. Keep your compass at B and cut an arc. And also keep your compass at A and cut an arc with the same radius. Just wait, I am just selecting the compass. Now there was some spacing issue, so I am just trying to slide the page down, scroll it down, because it is going out of the page now, so it is taking a little time. Don't worry about that. You take a compass, take a radius of 8 centimeters in it, keep it at B, cut an arc to intersect the 90 degrees. Similarly, again keep it at A, take a radius of that same 8 centimeters and cut an arc. So the two arcs should be ready now. 8 centimeters in your compass. You can either measure AB, which is already equal to 8 centimeters, or use your scale to take 8 centimeters. Anyway, you can do it. I am using AB itself because I know AB I have taken as 8 centimeters. So see how I am taking that length AB on the compass. You can do it on the scale also. For me, it is again I have to select another tool and then do it for you, because the scale and the compass are very much adjacently kept on your table. Please measure 8 centimeters. Then keep your compass at B and cut an arc on that 90 degrees. I'll just scroll down and show you. Don't worry that it is going out of the page. Then with the same radius, keep it at A and cut the arc. So the two arcs which are cutting the rays which are showing the 90 degrees will allow you to complete the square. Scrolling down is not very easy. That's why I'm struggling. Yeah. See, I have brought the page down now. Somehow that intersection did not happen, so I had to extend the ray. That's why I told you. Extend the ray so that it is definitely intersecting the arc. Now can you see the two arcs intersecting the 90 degrees? Hence, you get the two other vertices of the square. Mark them as D and E. I hope it is D and E only. Yeah, D is the first one, and here the point of intersection should be E. So your square is ready. The 8 centimeter square is ready. Join the D and E, the square is ready. And this square has to be broken down into or bisected into 4 congruent quadrilaterals. That is the construction we had seen yesterday. So I am doing it quickly today also. Please do it. Join the D and E and complete the square. I hope you would have done it. You must be faster today.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this square is of 8 centimeter, no, ma'am.
Yes. We have taken AB as 8 centimeters. No, I have measured AB only and cut the arc. So all the four sides should be definitely 8 centimeters. Please confirm. Take your scale and measure all the four sides. It should be 8. Otherwise, you will get a rectangle only, like somebody was showing me now. Danveer was showing me a rectangle instead of a square.
Actually, no, ma'am, that was a wrong one.
Okay, now at least you measure and confirm all the four sides.
Yes, ma'am,
should be
everything is proper now.
8 centimeters. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
For
Everything
me,
is
it is
proper.
coming. The three sides are 8 centimeter, but the top side is not 8.
That means your 90 degrees is very faulty. Please check if your 90 degrees at A and B are correctly drawn. Just confirm with your protractor. I am asking you to use protractor only, my dears. Actually, this is the first batch where I am allowing the protractor. Otherwise, my children do it with compass only. The 90 degrees also they will draw with compass and come. I don't want to complicate issues, so I am straight allowing you to use a protractor. Even with that, if you are committing mistake, tell yourself that you have to be more serious about doing construction. ಆ ಎರಡು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿನ 8 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ 8 centimeters. Then we will proceed. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I got all the
Good.
eight
If
and
not, please see what went wrong. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಪ್ಪಾದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ಲಾಟರಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. Probability is 0 totally that you will get a perfect quadrilateral. Okay? Alright, now the next step is you have to break it down into 4 quadrilaterals, for which we have 3 major steps. First, we will join the diagonals of the square. Second step, we will draw a line parallel to AC, that is the base of the triangle AC, passing through the intersection point of the diagonals. Once that line is ready, that will be bisected to get the second line. So, 3 major steps ಇದೆ. So, first step, join the diagonals. Diagonals ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to join D and A, B and E. Because the opposite vertices are the ones which will give you the diagonals. So join D and A, take your scale, keep it along DA and construct the diagonal. Then join B and E. This point of intersection of the two diagonals, you will name it as O. First mark the point of intersection neatly as a small point there. Then go and name it as O. Did you get the point of intersection as O?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down there itself, because you have to see some intersect points which has to be clearly taken and done. Okay, the next step is where you have to draw the parallel line. So get ready with your set square. If you have 2 set squares, very good. Otherwise, 1 set square and 1 scale at least you must have. So go and see how I am adjusting the set square. One edge of the set square where the 90 degrees is made, please keep it along AC. Set square na tagdu AC ge along side idi. Just keep it along AC. One of the sides where the 90 degrees is formed for the set square. So this is the set square which is going to move. The other one is just a support on the side, so that you do not move with any angle made there. It should move straight, slide straight. So adu straight ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರೂಲರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ರೂಲರ್ ಆರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೇಲೇ ತೊಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಧ್ಯ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೇಲನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಮೂದಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಆ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಧ್ಯ. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ scale tight and move the set square and see if it is moving clearly. See how it's moving. Go and take it till O. O bandre nilisbidi. If you have
Ma'am, you
reached
should
the
take the
point
bigger one or
O,
the smaller one?
yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, you should take the bigger one or smaller one?
Whichever.
Yes, yes,
See,
yes.
you want to draw a line which is intersecting the two sides BD and EA. So, udda iro togondre olledu because your line will come completely. Take the bigger one only. I would say take the longer set square and keep it along AC. 90 degrees baro ಒಂದು side ಅನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. One of the sides making 90 degrees in the set square. So once you have drawn that, you can remove the set square. See, I removed the set square. I'll pause it here. I have given it a green color also. So AC ಗೆ parallel line passing through O ಬಂದಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. Can you see it? ನೋಡೋದೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು AC ಅಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Could you get it? And can you see it is intersecting the two sides BD and EA at 2 points, which is what I am going to mark now.
Ma'am, I got it.
Good. It is simple. You should do it sincerely. That's all. Mark the point of intersection. BD na a green line cross ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Mark the point of intersection.
Yes, ma'am, even I got
Good. Name the point of intersection as P. And the other point where the green line is intersecting AE will be Q. Got it? So the line segment PQ is ready now. I'll pause it here. I hope all of you reach the PQ. PQ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? It should intersect the sides BD and AE at P and Q, and it should be clearly passing through O. There should be no gap at all visible there. Did you see that? Got the P and Q? Okay, in the hope that you can. Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay, good. So next step. So first step we did the diagonals, got the point of intersection as O. The second step, draw a line parallel to AC passing through O. That also we got it as PQ. Now the last and the final step. You are going to bisect PQ. PQ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ PQ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ PQ. Forget about all other things. You know, a given line segment can be bisected by using a perpendicular bisector. So next step ನಂದು ಅದೇ. Concentrate on PQ and bisect PQ. So ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to take back your compass again. So go take your compass. You have to keep the compass at P, pull it almost near to Q. See how I am doing it? Keep your compass at P. Stretch your compass to reach the Q itself, almost near Q, or more than half of PQ, I would say. Can you see that? Then I will take this compass, draw an arc above PQ. PQ ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಳಗನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Can you see how I am cutting it there? 2 arcs, one on the top and one at the bottom. ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಕಾಂಪಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ನಾವು ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. Turn it around your compass, cut an arc below PQ and above PQ. So ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 points you will get. One point of intersection at the bottom of PQ and the other one on the top of PQ. Can you see? Bottom I have cut. Now I am taking the compass to the top of PQ. ಮೇಲೇನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಟ್ 90 degrees. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೇನೂ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗೇನೂ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. If you join those two points of intersection, it will automatically bisect the segment PQ because you are drawing the perpendicular bisector. Okay? I am just referring to see if my arc is drawn properly because I got confused which is the arc. Okay, yeah. So I remove my
Ma'am, I got a
I remove my compass. ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ bisect your PQ. I am going to take a different color because there are so many lines there, you will not understand which is the perpendicular bisector. So I think I have chosen a purple and I am drawing. Sorry. I didn't select the scale. Sorry. I was in a hurry to draw. Unless I select the segment tool, it will not draw for me. Now can you see I am joining the 2 points of intersect and hence your PQ is getting bisected. So now when all these are ready, already the square BDEA has been made into 4 congruent quadrilaterals. So ಆ 4 quadrilateralನ 4 different colors ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Just make the sides thick so that you can understand which is 1, which is 2, which is 3 and which is 4. All the 4 quadrilaterals should be congruent. So when you cut it and take it out, when you keep the quadrilaterals one over another, they should exactly coincide with each other. Only then you can claim that they are congruent quadrilaterals. I'll just highlight and show it to you. Quickly you can see. I'm taking a different color. See from where I am starting, the first quadrilateral. And what I forgot to mark was R and S. I'll just tell you that. This brown color perpendicular bisector that you have drawn, it is intersecting your DE and AB at R and S. This point you have to name as R. I forgot to do that. This is your R and this is your S, bottom. We had P and Q already, is it not like that? The point of intersection between the perpendicular bisector and the sides DE and AB will be R and S. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ R mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this will be S. I forgot to label that actually. Did you get which is R and which is S?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which is R?
On the top.
Which is on the
DE you are having, no? That is being intersected by the perpendicular bisector. So this is your R. And at the bottom where it is intersecting AB, it will be S. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll proceed. I'm just showing you the 4 quadrilaterals in 4 different colors. See how I'm moving around. From P, I'm starting. I'll choose a color, 1 second. Yeah. No, I'm starting from B. Okay. B, S, O, P, B. Can you see the quadrilateral? B, S, O, P. That is the first quadrilateral. Now the second one. O, Q, A, S, O. Can you see O, Q, A, S, O? The purple colored one. Then the third one, I am taking it as yellow. I start with Q, E, D, O, Q. Q E D O Q. And then the last one, I'm starting from the D P O. That was R, no, P Q R R D. I didn't mark it there, so it is not visible. Okay, here there is some problem here. Something is overlapping there. Oh, sorry. One second. Yeah, 1 second. I'll just repeat. The first quadrilateral was O P B S O. Alright? And the second one was O S A Q O. The third one is O Q E R and O. This is R, no? So R O. And here it is D P O R. D. So the 4 quadrilaterals should be ready. I think I made a mistake here. This yellow should have been coinciding here. This has gone the other side. Okay. So this much you should have done. The 4 quadrilaterals will be ready. Then I am proceeding quickly. I know I am shooting over the time. You may have a class. I'll just tell you quickly what you have to do on the other side. Along the side BC and AC, you have to draw the 2 squares also to complete the construction. This quadrilaterals I hope you have understood. Now quickly let me show you how you are going to draw the squares on BC. So like we did on AB, on BC also you must construct a square whose length will be equal to 6 centimeters. I'm just pushing the figure a little to the right side because I want space on the left side. Okay. So now again construct 90 degrees at B and C. Use your protractor. Like you kept it on B and A, constructed 90 degrees. Now you will keep it on B and C, constructing 90 degrees there. Can you see how I am adjusting it? Ishtu neevu ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So once you mark the 90 degrees, remove the protractor, draw the rays. B allo 90 degrees construct ಆಗಬೇಕು. Same thing should be constructed again at C also. So bring the protractor there, keep it, mark the 90 degree and remove the protractor. So this I will just
Ma'am, we should
slide quickly.
construct all the 3 sides.
Sorry.
Ma'am, we should construct all 3 sides of the triangle quadrilateral.
I'm not getting it clearly.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ 1 ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರೀ 3 ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
BC ಗೆ 6 cm ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and ಕೆಳಗೆ AC ಗೆ 10 cm ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. That's all. I'll just quickly show it to you because I don't want confusion. Same procedure. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲಾಟರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ BC it should be a 6 cm ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ and along AC it will be a 10 cm ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. I have drawn the rays. Next again I'll take my compass, measure 6 centimeters radius, or you can take BC itself as the radius. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಟ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ನೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನದರ್ 2-3 minutes ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ BC ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಿಂದ 6 centimeters ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಮೀನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. Then you keep it at B and C, cut the arcs. That's all. Once the arcs are ready, you can join the 2 arcs to get the square. I think I'll skip a little forward. Arc draw ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, then I'll skip. So once the arcs are ready, you can remove the compass, join the two arcs to get the square. Next, I think I'll move a little more forward. Just skip. See, there the square is ready. Now below also you must get ready with a square whose length is equal to 10 centimeters. So ಅದೇ ಥರ C ಮತ್ತು A ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90 degrees draw ಮಾಡಿ you have to cut arcs of 10 degrees radius there. So I'm just skipping this also. Can you see that? The names of the squares I'm just telling you. Here at the bottom you will name it as I and G, I think. I and H. So that will complete your construction. ಇಷ್ಟೂ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮೇಲೆ 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಅದನ್ನು 4 ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ FGBC is the square whose length is, I think I'll stop the share here. So once all that is done, your construction is complete. So right side ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 centimeter square ನ quadrilaterals ಆಗಿ split ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ. On the left side you should get that 6 centimeter square, and at the bottom you must get the 10 centimeter square. So I hope it is clear. This much again it will not be repeated. This you should be ready in 2 duplicate sheets. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 3 sheets are required. 2 sheets for pasting in the record as it is, and 1 sheet where the construction is done. You will cut the quadrilaterals, you will cut the triangle, and you will cut the other 2 squares also. Keep them ready. They have to be duplicated on your color sheets.